What's going on, guys? Michael here, and today we're going to be talking about the best digital marketing tools that you can use to get started with AI automation and the best ways that you can start making money online. Now, I'm going to be showing you how to get started for free. All these tools are free to get started with, and if you're new here, new to AI, you're in the right place. I'm going to be taking you through step by step, and I'm also going to be giving you this free checklist right here called the Digital Playbook that has free course. Also has a list of over 130 plus AI tools. A lot of the tools that we're going to be talking about are going to be in these top picks right here. Done for you emails, done for you IG reels, and a lot of really cool stuff. So before we dive in, if you want this, just go ahead and go to digitalplaybook.com. Click here in your information and you will get an email with the Digital Playbook, aka Google Sheet. Now let's dive in. So before I show you any other tools, I want to go ahead and show you what the finished product of one of these YouTube Shorts IG Reels is going to look like.
Discover 3 mind-blowing AI websites. First, digitalplaybook.com. Earn a commission simply by promoting AI tools from their free checklist. Next, Shinify.com creates viral videos effortlessly. Just input a short description, click generate, and let AI handle the rest. Lastly, automate your...
Pretty cool, right? So everything from the images created, the scripts, the motion of the video, even the music, it's all created by AI. So first, let's go ahead and go to the tool that created the images. Well, before we do that, we got to create a script, and that's going to be with ChatGPT. So right here, you can see that I've had just some scripts right here that I've already created, but let's just go ahead and create a brand new one. So let's go using variation 3 above, create a that involves not animals. I don't know what's a good. Let's go lightning. Let's continue. Ooh, pretty sweet and pretty super detailed. So we have the script, and this doesn't just have to be about AI. That's what I like to talk about, so that's what my scripts are going to be. But you could be in sports, books, you name it. Create a script around that, and then we can make AI generate the video. So once we have the script right here, we're going to copy that, and then we're going to go to a tool called Leonardo. So you can get this tool right here. It's up number 3 because I've been using it a lot and I love this tool. You can do everything from image creation, motion. All these right here are just generated by AI. So let's go ahead and image creation and copy this right here. Now, as you can see right here, I have 8,000 credits and it only takes 11 to generate. Now this tool is free. You get 150 credits every day. Great deal. So I keep the AK detailed and 3D render because I found that it just turns or comes out more detailed when you are super descriptive like this. That's why I like these long detailed prompts, because it just makes it that much more engaging. And you can see right here it's generating 4 different videos. Up here too, presets, the type of style that you can make. I use cinematic, I like that, but you can do anime, Leonardo, concept. If you'd like me to make a more detailed video on this about all these different ones, let me know in the comments below. As you can see right here, you can create videos for long form, like squares, number of images for, but yeah, now let's take a look at these images. Pretty sweet, pretty sweet. So to create the long form videos, when you create these in the motions, the motions are like 4 seconds long. So I always generate 2 sets of 4 different images, so I can kind of pick and choose. I normally create like 6 to 7 different images. So while these are generating, I'm going to go ahead and open up CapCut, because this is what the other tool that we're going to use to combine the captions, music, all that kind of stuff together. So this one looks really cool. So I'm going to just create a couple of these motion ones so you can see, and then I'm going to pause this and then go to the next step so you don't have to sit and watch this whole thing. So you'll go down here. You have different options as far as you can remove the background, image guidance, upscale image, download the image, but we're going to go generate motion, and you can see the motion strength. This is just how much motion is going to be in the picture. So for something like this where it doesn't look like there's not like a robot or anything, I'm going to go ahead and go 5 motion. But something like this where there is an object, you kind of want to go on the lower end of the motion, because I've noticed that if you go to like 9, it just goes crazy. So we'll go 3 for this one, and then it's just generating up here, and then you can see down here I've generated these before, and look at that. This is AI. Crazy. AI. Who would have thought? So I'm going to go ahead and pause the video real quick, and then when we come back, you'll be able to see what the motion looks like. So we are back, and look at this picture with the lightning. That is freaking sick. So that one, I did this at 3 motion. Probably could have been a little bit better. But now I'm going to go ahead and pause this, and then I'm going to generate the motion for all these, and then I'll take you for the next step. Alrighty, so these last couple images have just finished. We got 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6. That should be enough. And now next step is we just gonna download them. So we've created our prompt to create these images, and then we have created the images with Leonardo. Next step is going to be creating the script for the AI voice, and the tool that I use is 11 Labs. This is also free, and there also is plenty of other text-to-speech apps. And as you can see here, I let you read this right here. It's just the script talking about like top 3 websites. And I like using this type of script because it's easy to replicate, and the whole point of creating these short form contents is to use these to drive traffic to different links to promote an AI tool. And as you can see here, these different URLs or websites, these are actually my websites. So when someone clicks on these websites, it directs them to a funnel or an affiliate link, so I can get paid out on that commission if they do choose to sign up for that. Different voices here. I'm not using the paid version right now, but I did, and I actually created an AI voice of my own voice, and it sounds really good. Listen to this.
We can do no great things, only small things with great love.
Literally me. But Callium is the dude that I've been using. So all you would do is boom, hit generate speech.
Here are the top 3 websites that will change your life. ShinyFibox.com is an AI platform designed to...
Boom. generate that. Now, let's say if it messes up a word or whatever, all you would do is just have to hit regenerate speech. Sometimes it messes up, obviously, because it's AI. And then next step would be go ahead and boom, hit download. Then the last thing we need to do before we go to CapCut is we need to get a cool tool called Suni AI. It's going to be right here in the checklist. And this tool is copyright-free AI music. And this is honestly amazing. Hopefully you guys can hear this different stuff, but like, let's just go to search. I'm actually recording this in the morning, so I'm kind of feeling some melodic metal synth. What are the odds that it says I'm recording this in the morning and then it talks about the morning? That's hilarious. But yeah, listen to this. This is AI. Like, what? That's crazy. And this is also free too. 50 credits. That means you can create one song is 10 credits. That gives you 2 versions. So more than enough. Okay, let's go with like AI. I don't need to type AI, but synthwave music dramatic. Let's do it with not being instrumental. But for the point of the video, I'm gonna want it to be instrumental. Well, I actually did that in the wrong thing. I did it as the lyrics, which create. Let's go ahead and create. I don't know. That looks kind of good, but just listen to this. This is gonna be literally AI copyright free. Like, I think you could even put this on Spotify. Like, I wouldn't even be able to tell that's not AI. But now let's do this with instrumental. Do 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 do. It's loading. I like the other one better. Okay, let's make it cinematic because those didn't come out the best. Let's make it Tropical Wonderland. What? I deleted it. Tropical Wonderland. What? I did it twice? Whatever. Let's see what it comes out to be. That first one was good. I'm just gonna download this first one anyways. Oh. That's so dope. Let's over here, download audio. All right, so we have everything we need now to go ahead and go into CapCut and create the short form video. Woo. Import. And I should have had more. 1, 2, 3, 4. Who knows? Doesn't matter. Electric Dreams. And then I already have AI voices that are already made, so just enter in one of these already. Let's go with, boom, this one. Nope. I like this one. So we got that. Let's go back to add these. Now, since I didn't make enough, I'm just going to show you some of the other. Boom. Alrighty. Now we got to go to this. We need the Electric Dream. Cut that. Bring that down. Now we got to add some captions. Templates. I like just using this one's good.
Here are the top 3 websites that will
Change the color to maybe yellow. Oh, I did that wrong.
Here are the top 3 websites that Here are the top 3
Generate auto captions. And then this is amazing. And change the color like I said. I like going with yellow or red. And then
Here are the
watch this.
top 3 websites that will change your life. ShineFeebots.com is an AI platform designed to help you go viral by generating multiple videos in just seconds. DigitalPlaybook.com is a website that offers a free checklist of over 400 AI tools that pay you a commission for promoting them. The final website
Wow. Awesome. So all you would do, download this, and then you would upload it into software like Go High Level. This is what I use for all my social media planning, email marketing, funnels. You got to have something like this to keep everything. And this tool is literally like an all-in-one platform. So this also is going to be in the digital playbook, aka Google Sheet. So just schedule it out. I have a couple social media platforms out here that I schedule content to, and then every time someone engages with it, you send them to whatever type of tool or whatever you're promoting. Obviously, I'm doing stuff around AI, so the AI tool in the video that I made is going to be about AI. But if you want to create something about cats or lemons, or doesn't even matter, you can do AI to do this. Now you can do this yourself if you're just getting started and you don't have enough capital to hire a VA or something. But that's going to be the next step if you want to scale this, is doing VAs. And that is obviously a completely other video to talk about that. So if you like this video, let me know in the comments. If you want to see me make videos about other things, go ahead and let me know. Also, if you want to get the Google Sheet with everything, like I said, just go to digitalplaybook.com and you'll get this, and then it'll take you to a page where you can watch more a long form video about what I do, and then also it will send you an email. So thanks for watching, and happy money making.